same crap, except we get to work on the mini day. Water pipe, water pump, thermostat, blow-off valve. Car's been a snowbank for the last month, but I haven't gotten to drive it for the past probably 2 months almost, because it's been leaking out of the water pump. So we'll go ahead and start tearing it apart. Alright, so now I got the pump out. Here's a plastic one that was, I'm guessing, stock in there. Or it should be stock, because that's what they're saying is the plastic ones are stock, but here's the replacement. You don't have to go too crazy with it. A lot of people will pull the tensioner out of there. It's kind of a pain in the neck to get out because you can't get to the bolts. Supposedly there's a specialty BMW tool, but that's where the water pump comes out of. You can kind of finagle it out of there, so you don't have to do anything crazy. Alright, so new water pump, and blow-off valve. Fixed ambient air temperature sensor as well. And less Christmas tree. Oh, and eliminated some other junk. Like this, the noisemaker. Tells it is a Steel's Boost, so you can hear it. I guess the firewall back there. That tape is. What are you doing with that? Now just rotate the tires, get new tabs.